Brittany here from Zipify Pages. How did your last product launch go? If you have a few minutes, I'd like to tell you about ours. We recently ran a campaign to warm and cold traffic for a new product launch. Almost half of the people who reached our landing page opted in, generating over 11,000 hot leads waiting to hear about the new product. After the opt-in, we sent each person a thank you email. 65.5% of people who received this email opened it, and 18.7% of those people clicked. And these are astronomical numbers for an email. These emails alone generated $5,000, and the product hadn't even launched yet. This process allowed us to generate a really large audience to launch our new product to and make sure it sold well right out of the gate. If you want to utilize the same pages we use to get these results, you can. We've recently released our new Gold Product Launch Opt-in and Thank You Page templates inside of Zipify Pages. Let's take a look at how you can set up these pages for your store. Once inside Zipify Pages, click to add a new page. We make it super easy to access these two pages in our Gold Product Launch Template Bundle. How we'll get started is a bit counterintuitive, but you'll actually start by designing your thank you page first. You'll need to link your opt-in page to this page, so it's always best to have it ready. What most people do on the thank you page is just say, "Thanks for opting in." This stops the conversation. Instead, use this thank you page as an opportunity to engage with the person who just opted in and give them something further to do. For example, visit a specific product page, visit a blog post, or anything that provides one more step they can take. Like any other button element, you can change the color, text, and style of this button here to match the branding of your store. Once you have your thank you page ready, you can go ahead and create your opt-in page. You'll see a similar style for this template. Notice that we aren't using a header on this page either. Our goal is to gain leads, so we don't want to overcomplicate this page by adding menu options or more call to actions. We have the image on the left and the call to action on the right. For the opt-in block, we're using the on-page opt-in form to collect just the person's email. We're not asking for any other information, again, to keep this simple and easy for the person to engage. With this design on mobile, the opt-in form shows up first to keep it above the fold, to get more people to see it and engage with it. When you click the button, you can select which email service you want to use and which email list you want the leads to be added to. Down at the bottom is where you can set your post-submit action to lead the customer to your previously created thank you page. This means when they fill their info here, they'll be redirected to that thank you page. Once you're done customizing the page, you can publish it. That's it for the pages. Now make sure when someone opts in on these pages, you create engaging emails to provide value and keep them engaged until the product launch. And after you launch your product, you can use the Gold mini site pages to promote the product you've just built anticipation for. If you're a Zipify Pages user, log in and check out these two new templates for your next product launch. If you're not a Zipify Pages user and you want to start building conversion-tested landing pages for your store, visit zipifypages.com today. I'm Brittany, and thanks for watching.